Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My dear friend and my dear viewers, how are you? I hope you are all fine and doing well. I have many prayers for you. May Allah give you happiness and success. Dear friends, in today's I am going to show you very beautiful, comfortable western style dresses design ideas. Very stylish and very beautiful a skater, frog, midi dress, A-line frock design for girls and women. Very stylish and very beautiful. I have only ideas videos. I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. All designs are so superb and classy. Dear friends, if you want to get more ideas, so visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get more ideas. अगर आप लोग इस तरह के डिज़ाइंस को बाय करना चाहें तो आप ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट से बाय कर सकते हैं। बहुत सारी ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट्स हैं और अगर आप डिज़ाइनर से बनवाएं तो आप उनको ये डिज़ाइन दिखा कर भी बनवा सकते हैं, स्टिच करवा सकते हैं टेलर से। So my dear friend, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get a notification of all my videos and you will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members on all social media accounts. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. In the comment sections to tell me how was my videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Videos from my channel can help you. You can get ideas. So my dear friends, we will be right back. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new video, trendy videos, new ideas videos. Thanks for watching.